Dear beloved and most respected mentors and audience, good morning. Uh, Today's issue not to know about Sheikh Hasina's recent interview. Actually, we know that after a long period of public silence, Sheikh Hasina has recently given her first set of interviews to international media outlets. I have gathered the available details, all of you, that is summarized in recent interviews. Based on the search result, Sheikh Hasina broke her silence with written interview. Point to be noted, Sheikh Hasina broke her silence with written interview. We are not showing the written documents, handwritten note, that was email. Anyway, I'm sharing another issue. Written interviews to several major international news agencies, all published on yesterday, Wednesday, October 29, 2025. I mean, yesterday. The key details are summarized in the table below, such as media outlet key points discussed. Reuters. Ban on Awami League is unjust. Millions of supporters will boycott the election if the party is banned. Will not return to Bangladesh under a government formed without her party's participation. Denied charges against her. Calling the tribunal proceedings a politically motivated carrot. Denied her politically motivated carrot, she argued. The Reuters. The Independent. Independent said that the refused to apologize for the deaths during the protest, but stated she mourns each and every child, siblings, cousin, and friend we lost as a nation. Denied ordering security forces to shoot demonstrators, attributing casualties to breakdowns in discipline on the ground. Called the International Crimes Tribunal ICT a sham court, মানে evening court, dark court, sham court, and stated she would neither be surprised nor intimidated. She would neither be surprised or intimidated by a death sentence. AFP via France 24 warned that election without the Awami League are showing the seats. AFP via France 24 warned that election without the Awami League are showing the seeds of future division in Bangladesh. Dismissed her trial as a jurisprudential joke and claimed a guilty verdict is preordained. Reject the allegation that she directed security forces to open fire on crowds. To better understand this event, her interview, some additional context. Location. The interview were given from her exile in New Delhi, India, where she has been living since August 5, 2024. A Reuters journalist noted she was seen taking walks in Delhi's Lodi Garden format. The interviews with Reuters and AFP were conducted via email, not physically, not by handwriting letter, by email. Upcoming events, a verdict of a trial, the International Crime Tribunal is expected on November 13. So, in details information from these recent interviews is still fresh. For the most complete and direct access to her statement, I would suggest all of you monitor the official website of the international news outlets mentioned such as Reuters.com, TheIndependent.com, France24.com. Dear mentors and audience, we are passing too much turmoil and we are standing a crossroad, and one of my special mentors are well known that the most unsolvable code in the world, yet the fourth, is still unsolvable in the world. I want peace and prosperity, mutual respect. Without stability and sustainability come only for integrity and empower for all with honest and truth. Our government and election related all types of organ each and every days or are just too much in critical and hide and shake. They are doing many more same documents. Or if anyone jail 6 months can't attend the don't attend the election, but another documents they ready for under table, and that was the not 6 months, 2 years. Is our It's my painful duty to inform all of you. Why all of you? Because in our country's person, 200 million people are just blind, not they are blind, but some of personnel, both include some personnel, countries running governmental and government related some organs along with a syndicate, business syndicate. Mentors, I believe money is not second God. God is only one. Money is just fuel. But when any person under poverty, then he or she think money is not second God. Money is all in all. Pray for me, stay with me, encourage me, support me for just humanity, truth, and honesty. Nothing to say. Thank you. If any wrong from my side, I'm a human being. I'm a mistake, obviously. Please correct me. I have to learn from all of you, dear audience. Thank you so much.